In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. We often neglect our physical health, and this can have serious consequences. One of the best things you can do for your health is to incorporate regular exercise into your routine. And one of the simplest and most effective ways to do this is to go for a run. Benefit 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Running regularly for half an hour a day significantly improves heart health. It strengthens the heart muscle, lowers blood pressure, and enhances overall circulation, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Studies have shown that consistent running reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, and increases HDL, good cholesterol levels, improving the overall lipid profile and reducing the risk of plaque buildup in arteries, which can lead to heart disease and stroke. Benefit 2. Weight loss, weight management. Running torches calories and boosts metabolism. It's an effective way to shed those extra pounds and maintain a healthy weight. Running at a moderate pace for 30 minutes can burn around 300 calories for an average person. When combined with a balanced diet, this calorie deficit aids weight loss and helps in maintaining a healthy body composition. Benefit 3. Mental well-being. Running triggers the release of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can alleviate stress, anxiety, and depression. It's like a natural mood booster. Moreover, studies have shown that regular aerobic exercise, such as running, can increase the volume of certain brain regions, improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of age-related mental decline. Benefit 4. Improved stamina and endurance. Regular running sessions gradually build endurance levels, allowing you to go further and feel less fatigued in your daily activities. By consistently challenging your body during runs, you not only enhance cardiovascular endurance but also improve muscular endurance, making daily tasks feel easier and more manageable. Benefit 5. Stronger bones and muscles. Running isn't just great for your cardiovascular system. It also strengthens your bones and muscles, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and improving overall strength. Weight-bearing exercises like running stimulate bone formation and increase bone density, crucial for preventing bone-related conditions and maintaining skeletal health as you age. Benefit 6. Enhanced immune system. Believe it or not, moderate exercise like running can boost your immune system, helping your body fight off illnesses and infections. Regular physical activity, including running, can promote better circulation of white blood cells and antibodies, enhancing the body's ability to defend against pathogens. Benefit 7. Better sleep quality. Running helps regulate sleep patterns, promoting deeper and more restful sleep. It's a natural way to combat insomnia and improve overall sleep quality. The release of endorphins during exercise not only boosts mood, but also helps in relaxation and reducing stress, contributing to a more peaceful and rejuvenating sleep. Benefit 8. Increased focus and mental clarity. The mental discipline required for running translates into improved focus and cognitive abilities, making you sharper and more alert throughout the day. Regular exercise, including running, has been linked to increased blood flow to the brain, which enhances mental clarity, sharpness, and overall cognitive function. Benefit 9. Social connections. Joining running clubs or simply hitting the pavement regularly can introduce you to a community of like-minded individuals, fostering new friendships and connections. Having a running buddy or being part of a running group not only makes the experience more enjoyable, but also provides accountability and motivation, helping you stay consistent with your routine. Benefit 10. Longevity. Studies suggest that regular runners tend to live longer, healthier lives. Running consistently can contribute to a longer lifespan and improved quality of life. The cumulative effects of all these benefits, from better cardiovascular health to reduced stress and improved mental well-being, ultimately contribute to a healthier and potentially longer life.